Snatch Squad. It is your girl Celeste Renee, and I am back with another video. This video is a little late. It was supposed to be uploaded on Monday, but it's going to be uploaded today, which is Tuesday. I did my weigh-in on Saturday like I was supposed to, but I was waiting for my ring light to come in, and it was supposed to be delivered on Saturday, so I was like, oh, I'll record on Sunday. It didn't come on Sunday. It came Monday, yesterday, at like 7 p.m., and I was tired. I was like, whatever, we'll just record tomorrow. So I'm recording now, and yeah, let's get started. So I did my weigh-in on Saturday, and I lost 5 pounds last week, which is like really psychotic because y'all know the first week I only lost 1 pound, and like week 2 came and I lost 5 pounds. So I'm gonna actually insert the clip of me actually standing on the scale so you guys can see. I did it on my vlogging camera, and it's literally just the scale because I was looking real rough. It was early in the morning, so you're not gonna see my face, just gonna hear my voice, and I'm gonna sound real tired. But yes, I did that. So I am now down to 209. So now I just have to lose 10 pounds to be at my goal. So I'm excited. Some things I did differently this week. Last week, I intermittent fasted. So I've been fasting from 8 to 12. So I stopped eating at 8 p.m. and then I had my first meal at 12. I think that's helped. I also have been doing morning fasted cardio. So I do my first workout at 8 o'clock. It's like an hour long. And so that helps me not be as hungry. So like by the time 12 o'clock comes, I'm starving. But from 9 to like 11:30ish, I'm fine. So that's really helped. Those are the only 3 things I've really done differently. Oh, I recorded what I eat in a day. So what I ate last week, I recorded that. I'll upload that. But really, I just eat the same thing. I only have 2 meals. I have lunch at 12, which is normally just like chicken thigh, rice, beans, some veggies, some salsa, kind of like a homemade Chipotle bowl. And then for dinner, I normally have chicken and salad. Sometimes I just have chicken by itself because sometimes I just want some meat. Yeah, and then for a snack, I normally just have, honestly, I don't really get really hungry during the day, but if I do, I'll have this like sugar-free popsicle, which is like 25 calories, so in reality, it's nothing. So yeah, that's the week's 2 weigh-in. I'm down 5 pounds. I'm really excited because the first week I only lost 1 pound. I kind of was like sad. I was like, dang, like everybody's numbers was like really good, and I'm like, dang girl, you doing the challenge, you started the challenge, you're not even like performing. But like I said, we're not going to be hard on ourselves during this challenge because circumstances are out of our control. So we're just going to do our best, make healthy choices, and let me know how I can't even talk. Let me know how the week went for you guys too. Oh yeah, I have the pictures. So I took the pictures of, I'm going to do the before, like the first day and this week. So if y'all see some changes, let your girl know. I don't really see too much difference just yet. The only thing is my waist beads. I wear these waist beads all the time. They're starting to drop again. So once my waist beads reach my belly button piercing, then I know that I'm back on track. Because before all this stuff happened, I was on the 90-day challenge, my waist beads were like at my belly button piercing, and it had like started. I think I have a picture. So when I started the challenge, my waist beads had like started like up here, like they won't even stay up anymore. But they were like up here and like full, like I was like really. My stomach was like really big, but now they're starting to drop again, so I'm like really happy. I honestly think you guys should get waist beads. Like, it really helps. And the other thing with waist beads is like if you're eating too much, it won't let you because it's gonna hurt, and they'll start to like roll up. You can't breathe. It's very uncomfortable. So it like helps you to like do what you need to do, not to get too crazy, you know. Wow, I'm like really loving these like lights. Like I feel like a professional YouTuber. It's crazy. Yeah, I finally got a ring light. Shout out to my boyfriend. You know, he invested into my YouTube channel. No, me, I had to do like a little Shark Tank proposal, but luckily the judges thought I had a good proposal, and they invested into my channel. So shout out to him. And yeah, it's really nice. So let me know if y'all see a difference. Like, I can't really tell how the video is gonna look till I record it, but for now, like, it looks really bright. Like, it looks like light, you know. Sometimes my videos be looking kind of dull because I only had like the 2, like, I don't know why I'm telling y'all this. Y'all probably like, girl, this has nothing to do with it. I know, but before I had the ring light, I just had like the 2, like the umbrella lights, and like they were good, but I feel like the ring light brings more light because it's like right around the camera, and I probably need to work on the settings too. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking because y'all know I'll just talk all day long, and then people will be in the comments coming for me. And actually, shout out to the Snatch Squad, because lately I like been getting like somebody will comment something negative, and then like somebody from the squad will be like, if you don't like it, get off our channel. And I'm like, exactly, like thank you, because I stopped responding because like I was just like, Celeste, girl, what are you gonna do? Like respond to every negative comment. But when I see like some of y'all like, you know, coming for them, I'm like, you know what, that's what it's all about. It's a community, we're a squad, we're here together, and if you come for one person in the squad, you come for all of us. So anyways, I'm really excited for week 3. Like I said, it's Tuesday. This weigh-in was done on Saturday. Weigh-ins are done every Saturday, but continue to keep adding me on Instagram at @TheCelesteRenee and hashtagging the Snatch Squad, and tell me in the comments, like the video, tell me in the comments below what your stats were for week 2, and I'm looking forward to week 3. Bye guys. Okay guys, I just did my weigh-in, 209.8 this week.